Students, in this video, we are going to discuss about characteristics of coordinate covalent compounds. Before that, let us just recall what is meant by coordinate covalent bond. Formation of some covalent bond take place by sharing of electrons which come from only one of combining atom. So, this type of bond is called as coordinate covalent bond or dative bond. That is, formation of some covalent bond is taking place by sharing of electron that should comes from only one of combining atom. That is only said to be as coordinate covalent bond or dative bond. So, most of the lone pair of electrons of an atom involved in the formation of covalent bond. In the formation of covalent bond, mostly the lone pair of electrons are accommodating. Okay. Now, let us see the characteristics of coordinate covalent bond. The compounds containing coordinate covalent bonds are called as coordinate covalent compounds. What is coordinate covalent compounds? The compound that containing in the coordinate covalent bonds are called as coordinate covalent compounds. Okay. Now first let us see the characteristics of physical state. Physical status. These compounds exist as gaseous, liquids or solids. See here, like covalent compound, the coordinate covalent compound also exists in solids, liquids and gaseous state. Next, let us see the electrical conductivity. Like covalent compounds, these compounds do not have charged particles, that is ions, so they are bad conductors of electricity. Like covalent compound also not having, that is positive and negative charges. Just it is sharing electron, it is contributing the electrons. Likewise, the coordinate covalent compounds are also not having the charged ions. Charged particle means that is positive and negative ions. So, they are bad conductors of electricity. The next one is melting point and boiling point. In coordinate covalent compound, the melting point is that melting point is higher than those of covalent compounds but lower than those of ionic compounds. Melting and boiling point is, it is higher than those of covalent compounds but it is having the melting point is lower than those of the ionic compounds. Next is solubility. Like covalent bonds, these are insoluble in polar solvents like water but insoluble in non-polar solvents like benzene and toluene. It is having the same solubility like covalent bonds because covalent bond also insoluble in polar solvents but it will be soluble in non-polar solvents. Likewise, the coordinate covalent bond is also soluble in non-polar solvents like benzene and toluene but it is insoluble in polar solvents like water. Next is reactions. They undergo molecular reaction which are slow. The covalent bond is also undergo molecular reaction. These reactions are slow. Likewise, the coordinate covalent bond also undergo molecular reaction which are slow. Now, are you clear with the three types of bonds? That is ionic bond, covalent bond and coordinate covalent bond. These three types of bonds are discussed in our videos. Have you all clear about it?